Good morning, I am Marcodon Lutoldo and from Section Canada, and this is my schematic diagram for control circuit. So there are four parts of control circuit. They are mainly circuit breaker, magnetic contactors, pressure switches, and overload protection. So number one is circuit breaker is an electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from a damage caused by overcurrent, overload, or short circuit. Basic function is to interrupt current flows after protective release detect a fault. Use the manual switch, a device that is used to close or open a circuit manually. So this is the magnetic contactor. So magnetic contactor are a form of electrical relays found on most electrically powered motors. They act as a go-between for a direct power source and a high load electrical motors in order to homogenize or balance out changes in electrical frequency which may come from a power supply as well as an act of a safeguard. So this is a pressure switch here, pressure switch. So are widely used for a large range of application throughout the industry and manufacturing. Their functions is to provide system with electrical feedback to respond to measure a rise or fall in pressure, a pressure which is usually adjustable with regard to the chosen set point of operation. So lastly is the overload relay. So overload relay is to prevent the motor to damage by monitoring current in the motor circuit and breaking the circuit when an electrical overload or a phase failure is detected. So since the relay are much cheaper than motors, they provide an affordable way of protecting the motors. So there are three wires. So the wires are the color of red, yellow, and blue. These wires are connected to the circuit breaker for the safety of an overcurrent or short circuit. So all wires are connected to from circuit breaker to the magnetic control contactor, but the red wire is connected to the manual switch that going to the pressure overload relay to the pressure switch. The yellow wire is going to the circuit breaker. From circuit breaker to magnetic contactor, from magnetic contactor to the overload relays, and overload relays to the compressor. The blue wire is from the circuit breaker going to the magnetic contactor and going to the overload relays from, and the next is going to the compressor. That's all. Thank you.